In 2017, rumors spread that Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari had been replaced by a doppelganger. This wasn't the first time such a story made headlines. Throughout history, tales of individuals encountering their doubles have sparked fear and curiosity. Are doppelgangers simply clones of celebrities created by elites? Or is our entire existence just a computer simulation that occasionally glitches, accidentally creating copies of individuals? Join us as we explore these questions and more, delving into the eerie world of doppelgangers. The concept of doppelgangers can be traced back to ancient times. In Norse mythology, the Vardoger is a spirit predecessor, a ghostly double seen performing a person's actions before they actually occur. Similarly, ancient Egyptian lore speaks of a Ka, a tangible spirit double that possesses the same memories and feelings as the person to whom the counterpart belongs. These ancient beliefs laid the groundwork for the unsettling idea that one might encounter their double, a notion that has persisted through the ages and continues to captivate our imaginations. Throughout history, there have been numerous reports of doppelgangers appearing to notable individuals. Catherine the Great, the Russian empress, reportedly saw her doppelganger sitting on her throne and ordered her guards to shoot at it. Abraham Lincoln, the U.S. president, claimed to have seen his double in a mirror on the night of his first election. The double's face was ghostly pale, which his wife believed to be an omen of his death. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, the famous writer, encountered his doppelganger while riding toward Drusenheim. He saw an exact replica of himself, dressed in different clothes, riding in the opposite direction. One of the more outlandish theories posits that doppelgangers are clones created by powerful elites. According to this theory, celebrities and influential figures are cloned to ensure their compliance or to replace them if they go rogue. This idea gained traction with the advent of genetic engineering and cloning technologies, sparking fears and speculations about the extent of scientific manipulation. Another intriguing theory suggests that our entire existence is a computer simulation, and doppelgangers are a result of glitches in the system. Proponents of this theory argue that just as software can duplicate files by accident, the simulation can create identical copies of people. This idea has been popularized by notable figures like Elon Musk, who has openly speculated about the possibility that our reality is a sophisticated computer simulation. From a scientific perspective, the phenomenon of doppelgangers can often be explained through psychological and physiological means. Cryptomnesia occurs when a person believes they are experiencing something new, but are actually recalling a forgotten memory, possibly of someone who looks similar. Capgras delusion is a disorder where a person believes that a close friend or family member has been replaced by an identical imposter. With over 7 billion people on Earth, it's statistically likely that some individuals will look remarkably similar due to shared genetic traits. In 2017, rumors spread that Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari had been replaced by a doppelganger named Jubril from Sudan. Despite denials and a lack of evidence, the story persisted, highlighting the deep-seated fears and fascination with the idea of replacement by a double. Numerous celebrities have been the subject of doppelganger rumors. For instance, actor Nicolas Cage has a historical doppelganger in a photograph from the American Civil War era, and pop star Avril Lavigne is rumored to have been replaced by a lookalike named Melissa. While the stories of doppelgangers are fascinating, it is crucial to approach them with a critical mind. Many reported cases can be attributed to psychological phenomena, coincidences, or even intentional fabrications. Skeptics argue that the human brain is wired to recognize patterns, which can lead to false identifications and overinterpretation of similarities. Doppelgangers remain one of the most intriguing and unsettling phenomena in human history. Whether they are mere coincidences, products of our imagination, or evidence of something more profound, the fascination with doubles continues to captivate our collective psyche. What do you think? Are doppelgangers real, and if so, what could explain their existence? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing stories from No Face Nomad. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.